Welcome back, everybody. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up, drop us a comment, let us know what you'd like to see or see more of. If you haven't done so and you're not a subscriber, click on Daryn's car down in the right hand corner, and that will bring up the subscribe button, allow you to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Well, it's Tuesday. They got the car unloaded last night, got it stripped down and ready to be washed. Got to fix the deck panel. It pretty much shredded it over the weekend, the back corner. We are going to get it shoved out and get it cleaned up so we can get it all serviced tonight and ready to go in the box tomorrow night. All cleaned up. Trying to bend the nose back with the jack. Now the maintenance starts and putting it back together. We fix that deck panel. It's getting destroyed here on the corner where it gets into the wall. And if you scrub the wall with the spoiler, that deck panel goes right here.
I don't have any strength in my arms, Dave. I can't pick it up and screw it in.
Now.
What are you?
Put the battery in.
Okay. Very loud.
You gotta tighten those down, Dave?
Yeah, I gotta get a 9/16.
Getting very busy tonight.
You need a 9/16 thread.
Huh?
Ratchet wrench.
Need one more rivet.
You need a rivet?
Yep.
Where they at?
Second drawer all the way to the back.
What are you looking for?
Rivet.
All the rivet.
These ones?
Yep.
How many?
Yep.
One.
There you go. Ethan, hope you guys are on video.
Rear and flood last week. I had to add
Do
some.
the Heinz?
No.
Did you install the oil tank and oil filter?
Yep.
Okay. Move the lugs.
Battery's charging.
Tires are done. Battery's charging. You said check levels? The flood levels have been checked?
No, not yet.
Alright. Did you check the water and all that, Doug? Yeah. All you did is turn the Heinz and the lugs.
The one job that never ends.
These are valuable right now,
Yeah.
especially new ones.
Them are gold.
Yeah. Saturday I looked into the Hoosier trailer and it was a lot less than there was Friday.
Here up to this joint, but this bracket's all the way down. It'd be nice if this bracket was like here, here, and here to give me a little room there.
Well, if you took this and bring it up, go into that bracket, you probably wouldn't have that problem because that little aluminum's rolling over right there. That's sheet metal. See it?
Well, it was broke, and I put the sheet
Right,
metal in
yeah,
it
that's
and
what I
rolled
did.
it too. But
Right, but if you bring it up to here, like, you know what I mean?
we'll have to cut it all the way up to here to do that, to get it up in there.
But if you brought it out, that way you can leave it on there. It's up to you, or just cut it off like you said. Cutting it off can be easier. But if you wanted to save it, you know what I mean? If you brought it up here, you bring it back, you know, put it in the same
That's
point.
easier said than done.
Right, I know. I know what you're getting at.
I mean,
Take the
it's
fold
literally
out.
got to come, take all this off and reshape it and then lift it up, which it can be done. But I think the whole problem is this bracket here is so low.
Might be.
If it was up, I think it would help it.
Can we move it up?
Yeah, we can do anything.
Right, the
The way it looks from here, that corner that where your hand's at is lower than the front.
It is.
It is.
We just take it all off and just give me this whole piece separate. We never cut this gold either. I never got, let me cut that before we take it out. You gotta take this whole piece off.
Yeah, but then look on this one how high the bracket is on it.
Is it up higher?
Oh yeah.
That's the problem.
It's a good 2 inches above the seed.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's the problem. That's exactly what I was saying. It is.
Are we ever gonna have a nose? We don't have to cut that off and work on that constantly.
After this, it'll be fine. Can I bring some exploders? There you go. You all the way in?
Yeah.
Here, you be there. Try it. Okay, that's good. Can you go ahead, Charles?
What do you need?
Come on. Well, you fucking phone.
Are you the switchboard operator?
I guess.
As much as that thing's been ringing tonight. Say when.
Okay. No. Okay. Okay, go ahead, tighten it. Tighten that front one too.
There you go.
Very good. I think I'll put some bolts right in here, smash that down. Suck it in.
Yeah.
And then we can heat this up or just let it kind of settle itself.
Yeah. lay down. I think I got her warm enough. It's probably hot. There you go. Just let it cool there for a minute.
Afraid it's gonna split. Need a cold rag in for me.
Cold rag?
Yep. I think it's gonna stay.
All the way back there in the back.
We're running out of them back, them ones I can use a,
Nut on.
yeah,
Probably need to order some more of them with the washers.
yes.
Man, Doug, you fine work.
Gotta be done.
What do you need?
Lost the washer. And I need to push on it at the same time. Because it's the double flange under there.
Hand me the.
Yeah.
Man, whoever grew that did a fine job.
Did you do that?
No, you did.
Where'd I groove that at? I didn't groove that at Peevely.
The left front, yeah. Yeah, because you bounced it and all the stuff came out.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, you're right.
Down to know your own work. You're just that good.
Yeah, Dave, some of it didn't come out, and Dave's like, you didn't do all of it. I'm like, take a look at it again. I did. We got a Nerf gun war going on in the parking lot at the shop. You missed. Put the shocks and tires on it. It's ready to go in the box tomorrow night. We'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors. Hooker Harness, Hookers Save Lives. CC Food Marts, Randy Cordy Consulting, DMK Properties, Hooker Harness again, Multi-Fire X, Spark Plug Wires, Factory CS, Touchstone Crystals, Willwood, 5D Composites, Penske Racing Shocks by Nick, Glenn Friedrich Radiator, Swift Springs, T&B Builders, Willie's Carburetor, Dargie Race Engines, Klein's Brand Source Appliance and Bedding, Maytag, M&M Painting and Construction, Menards Dodge Jeep Ram and Chrysler in Ruma, Illinois, Aggressive Graphics, Our next race will be tomorrow night, or correction, Thursday night at Fayette County Speedway, Brownstown, Illinois, for the 5,000 to win Summer Nationals race. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe. You can do that by clicking on Daryn's race car down in the lower right-hand corner. Leave us a comment, tell us what you think, and hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. Thank you.